Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, wherever you are. Sorry, running a little bit late today. Today is March 15, 2019. Hey, quad witching OpX, I believe. So it is another OpX Friday. Hopefully, the day is going well with you. Let's go take a look at the midday update here, and let's start off with our normal look at some of the market and the breadth, and then we proceed and look at the ES and the SPY a little bit later on. The crude market is down 10 cents at 58.51. Gold is up $7.40 at 1302.50. The Dow Jones Industrial is up 188 point at 25,899. S&P 500 is up 19 point, which is somewhere around 0.7% at 2,827.75. NASDAQ 100 up 85 point at 7,327. Russell 2000 up a little bit less than 13 point, 12.7 at 1,562. And the NASDAQ Composite is up 82 point, 7,713. And the Dow Jones Transportation is up 21 point at 10,366. All right, looking at the breadth, the up-down volume ratio is positive at the New York Stock Exchange of 1.8. Pretty much positive most of the session. Just got a little couple dip early on the open. And the NASDAQ is also running positive with a ratio of 2.61. The Russell is 1.59. And looking at the advanced decline, you can see the advanced decline been climbing ever since the open, and it opened nearly at the positive 700. In other words, the advancer is over the decliner by 700 issue, but right now the advancer is running ahead of the decliner by 1133. And in the NASDAQ, the advancer is running ahead of the decliner by 1142. Cumulative tick is positive, and so is the in the NASDAQ as well as in the New York Stock Exchange. And looking at the ES open auction out of range, it came down, put in the IB low, push up, put in the IB high and took it out, and came back in and break it again and took out the overnight high. Right now it's looked like got a little spike up there, might be sitting a little pullback. We'll see how the afternoon transpire and see what it's going to do, but certainly it looked like there might be a little bit of a pullback, and they might have taken out some of the 282 284 cost spread there. There seems to be a high cluster of open interest at those spread, and there's also another one that's a little higher, but that's going to be a way out there. But anyway, in the NQ, same thing on the NQ open auction out of range, came drove up, came down, drove about the overnight high, came down, tested a couple of times, put in a IB high, tested, and then pushed through. Right now it's pushing up on a new HOD. Okay, so let's switch over and take a look at the ES on a daily basis. You see the candlestick is breaking out of this zone here. Right? Remember we were saying that if it get up, I believe it was 28.19.25, then basically looking for this thing might get targeted 28.65. So basically it's watching that particular level to see would it be able to come up, essentially maybe targeting the upper channel there. Okay, and if we take a look at the volume profile, you see the volume profile is one time framing up after yesterday inside day. Been one time framing up 3 consecutive days, got a little bit of an inside day. Today is moving up again, although the point of control is not moving up that much because it's still underneath this point of control here 2 days ago. But we'll see, will this move take it up to the 28.65, or would be come back into the zone and get below the 2800 once again. If it come back into this balance zone, most likely it's probably going to retrace all the way back down to this 2700 level, and then we'll be watching for a possible bounce, a possible continuation of breaking down. Then on the volume profile, the market profile, you see the market profile is trying to get up to this October 10, 2839.75. So keep that on, keep that on your chart here and watch this level. But there are a lot of stuff down here that need to clean up So we'll see. It might just come up, tag this and then reverse, or it might not even do that. So we'll have to see how the price action gonna play out. And looking at the daily market profile and the volume profile, you can see that so far so good on the high side. This is the upside level to keep an eye on, but there is a poor low. So we'll see what this thing come back in and fill out these single print today, and maybe come back in and tag this point of control from yesterday. It is possible because today is RBX. Anything is possible, right? So you can see this topping candle here, right? And so essentially watching for this thing, see would it be able to take it out, or it's just come down, because there's this overnight high, IP high, rewrap. Okay, so that's the cluster somewhere around this 2826 to 2823. So there's something going on here. This is one of the value area level from a previous previous trading session. So, and if we switch over, let's go switch over and take a look at the SPY quickly. Let me go switch up that chart there. Just a moment. Okay, we got the SPY up here. All right, you see the SPY. This is a 16-minute chart, and see that it is kind of chopping around on that bottom of the channel there. Right. So in addition, what I did is I walk off 3 basic balance zone. Basically it says a high volume area. So right now, if it could break above that, then basically gonna probably move to that on the ES, that 2865 area. But if it come back, pull back, then we probably could see this maybe to 280 and change. Okay. So there's another zone here, so we're gonna see would it be working back down to this. Essentially what I did is I took this area here, this swing up, and see where the concentration of volume is, and then see where some of the potential support and resistance level or zone. So basically that's what I'm watching right now, and if we break above this 282.38, then all bets are off for the bears. Right, then we'll be targeting somewhere around this 285.50. Okay, so hopefully your day is going well, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Right, but if you're not a subscriber to my video channel, click on that subscribe, and be sure to click on that notification icon, that bell icon, so you get notified whenever I do a video such as this, or whenever I upload a new video. So have a great day and a great weekend. Thank you for watching.